Are you struggling to get or maintain an erection? Maybe you've tried pills and nothing helps. You feel frustrated, embarrassed, maybe even hopeless. You're not alone, and I'm here to tell you there's a deeper reason that you're struggling with ED, and it has nothing to do with your age. In fact, it's something everyone ignores, and it's the key to fixing the problem. Most men think erectile dysfunction is just a physical issue. They assume it's about blood flow or testosterone, and those things can factor into it. But the real issue is often in your nervous system, and it's linked to how you feel and how connected you are to your body. Here's what no one tells you. ED is often caused by emotional blockages, stress, and trauma that have been suppressed for years. And those emotional issues, including shame, performance anxiety, and unresolved trauma, directly impact your ability to perform. So why is this happening? 95% of men are walking around with subconscious blocks from childhood, relationships, or society that affect their performance in the bedroom. You've probably been conditioned to ignore your emotions. Big boys don't cry, right? That emotional disconnection, combined with chronic stress, unhealthy patterns, and past trauma, starts to manifest physically as performance issues like ED. But here's the kicker. You can fix it. And it starts with understanding how your body and your mind are working together. It's not just about popping pills or the same things that you tried before. True healing comes from connecting to your energy and emotions in a new way. When you learn to regulate your nervous system and let go of those emotional blockages, you unlock your full potential as a lover and as a man. In my work, I teach men to reclaim their energy, their confidence, and their ability to last naturally. It's about going beyond just the physical and tapping into your life force energy. Tantra isn't just about lasting longer in bed. It also gives you tools to last longer in life. My clients have gone from feeling completely hopeless about their ED to lasting for hours with no pills. One client came to me in his 60s after Viagra had stopped working for him. We worked together for just a few weeks and his lovemaking started to improve. And within a few months, he was having the best lovemaking of his life naturally. Another client went from anxious and disconnected in bed to fully in control of his energy and performance. And his partner started initiating lovemaking more. They were in their 60s, and I asked him, how long has it been since she has initiated with you? And he said it had been decades. He had no idea that when we started working with his nervous system regulation, that things started to change in his love life too. If you're tired of relying on pills and quick fixes that don't work, if you're ready to get to the root issue and transform your sexual energy, then I invite you to watch my full free training, How to Last Longer, Feel More Powerful, and Become the Best Lover without pills or pressure. You'll find the link in the description and at the end of this video. I look forward to guiding you to real transformation. This is part 2 in the Men's Confidence series. If you're ready for long-term results and a whole new level of mastery, hit subscribe and check out the full training.